In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Zoho CRM, allowing you to organize and categorize your data with ease. Tags in Zoho CRM offer a fantastic way to tailor your organizational strategy by categorizing your records based on your own custom criteria. This ensures that crucial information is always at your fingertips and improves efficiency in managing your data. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open any record you'd like to work with. For this demonstration, let's say you're starting with a lead. Once you're within the record, direct your attention towards the top of the page. Here, you'll notice the Tags section. It's prominently placed so you can access it quickly without having to search through different menus or settings. Once you've located the Tags section, go ahead and click on plus Add Tag. This is where the magic happens. Now, you have the option to either choose from an existing list of tags or start fresh by typing a new one. One of the wonderful features Zoho CRM offers is its ability to auto-create new tags as you type. This means you have complete flexibility to create tags that suit your unique needs, tailoring your CRM experience to match your business requirements or personal preferences. After typing in your desired tag or selecting one from the list, you'll want to either press Enter on your keyboard or click the Add button to finalize your choice. This action will successfully assign the tag to your record. It's as simple as that. Once a tag is added, it becomes a powerful tool for filtering and searching your data. This allows you to easily locate groups of records that share the same tag, enabling more efficient data management and improved workflow within your organization. Using tags effectively means you can start organizing your information based on campaigns, geographical areas, customer types, or any categorization system that makes sense for your business model. With this level of flexibility, you're being granted the freedom to define your data in a way that keeps everything organized and intuitive. As you make use of these tags, remember that they are not just labels, but pivotal organizing components within Zoho CRM. Keep your tag names concise and consistent across records to ensure uniformity and coherence. This will aid in smoother operations and faster data retrieval in the long run. To wrap things up, tagging is a simple yet transformative feature in Zoho CRM that, when used effectively, can vastly enhance how you interact with your data. With these steps, you're all set to start using tags and make your Zoho CRM experience more organized and efficient. Happy tagging, and thanks for watching.